Hey guys, welcome back
to our video.
Today I am going to replace my blinds. We're gonna move the existing blinds. There's a little cover on this, which is where this is gonna slide out from. Take the blinds off. You're gonna pull it upward like this.
Look at that!
We're just gonna remove these.
My mom is downstairs, not doing what she's supposed to do. I don't know why. She's supposed to do the window.
There are usually just 2 screws. Can you see my underarms? I haven't shaved. It came with these 2 things and it actually says top. My window is kind of weird. So I see why the last person put the blinds on the outside. I have this trim here which is blocking me from putting this like this. So I think I know what I want to do. I'm gonna put it like that anyway. So I'm gonna put the screw up there, the 2 screws on the top, and then this one, it's not gonna go straight back the way it's supposed to, but I think I'm just gonna put them in diagonally. Let's see if that works. So I put that in a little bit. I was just trying to make the hole. Slow, slow. Oh, yikes. Fuck. Shit. Fuck.
Keep saying that word.
I don't know if I'm supposed to use one of these to make a hole, but that's what I'm about to do. To make a hole.
That looks like a candle.
Alright. I got the top one in after I made the little hole. Just big enough so I can get both of my new screws in. This thing is awesome, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and do the holes for the other one. Since this thing is in the way, I put this screw in at an angle, but it's still securing it the way it needs to. And the top one. Then I'm gonna put the other 2 right here. And I already put the holes in where I want them here. So it's gonna be easy for me to just screw those 2 in. Don't be scared to be next to the window. I ain't scared. This is the angled one. Dang, I made a huge hole in that one. Okay, we're almost done. All right. So we got both of them in. So it's gonna go this way because this side is where the little twisty thing is gonna go. We're supposed to put them both in like so. And then we're just gonna push up until you hear the click. Ugh, why is this so hard? That's what she said. Ooh, that just goes right in. So this is the kind of blinds that push up, pull down. When you want to pull it up, you just push it up.
How? Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
Yay! So that was it, guys. These blinds were like less than $5 at Walmart. Hashtag Walmart. Please subscribe, guys. Please do. Please. Please subscribe.
Tyler's running upstairs. He's scared. He's scared.